quickly. FMLA. If the person is on FMLA, and prior to their going out on family medical leave, there was no issue that would have prompted a fitness for duty evaluation. The issue that prompts the fitness for duty evaluation in this case is the information they provided in the course of seeking certification that their healthcare provider gave in the process of asserting their need for, that is the form they filled out, the physician's attestation. That when the employer read it, they're going, oh my God, this is a police officer, and he's suicidal, and he wants some family medical leave. Okay, so you grant the family medical leave, and the employer says, but before they come back, after they've been certified by their healthcare provider to return to work, the agency says, but I want to do my own fitness for duty evaluation. What would you say? You should say, no, I can't. You need to talk to your attorney. I really don't think you can do this. Because under Albert v. Runyon and a number of multiple cases that follow it, Wilhelmina versus Underhill in Oregon is one such example. Unless the employer had independent basis prior to the FMLA, separate from the evidence for that, they cannot use FMLA evidence as a basis for an independent exam. They have to accept the certification from the treating healthcare provider to release that person back to work. When they come back to work, if there's any behavioral evidence that would give rise to an independent fitness for duty evaluation, they can do so. Now, I think a very fair question is whether, in light of Brownfield versus Yakima, whether a exception might be made for an employee in a public safety position. I think it's a very fair question, hasn't yet been litigated, but it is, it's why I would do the evaluation, even in light of this, if the attorney for the agency said, I understand, we'll accept the risks. And in that case, I may specifically ask for indemnification in the event of a claim in violation of FMLA. I would limit that indemnification only to the FMLA issue, but I would ask for indemnification in that context, because I think it's a very high-risk gambit. Everybody understand that? Why that is the case? Okay.